happening on board the Central line, a 1992 style tube train to be precise. I'm at Haynot station at the eastern end on the Haynot loop in Zone 4. So what's going to be happening today? So as you might be aware, the Central line trains have been undergoing a refurbishment recently as part of the Central Line Improvement Programme, the acronym to refurbish the entire fleet of Central Line trains. So that's why I'm here at Haynot station, as I'm going to be waiting for that special train to take me up to Woodford. It's a very, very new train, and I heard there's a new maquette as well, which is going to be very exciting to see. I can't wait to see it. Unfortunately, we're off to a bad start here because the refurbished Central Line train, since I arrived at Haynot, wasn't there, so I'm on this one instead. That has not been refurbished. Grange Hill. It's not similar to like the TV show Grange Hill, because that was filmed in Kingsbury in London. But hey, at least we can compare the old Central Line trains to the new ones. So, Grange Hill.
Grange.
Yes. Right now, so these maquettes are a bit similar to ones that you find on the Northern Line and the Jubilee Line. Oh, you see Chigwell? Emma, are you gonna say anything? Nah.
Between the train and the platform.
When we get to Woodford, I'm gonna make sure if I can actually find that train, because this is my today. Oh crap. I think I saw the train go by, but I'm sure it's going to reverse. We'll be all right later. But first, we're going to have to do Loading Valley, the least use station on the whole of the underground, of course. Welcome to Roding Valley, least used station of the whole of the underground, of course. Unfortunately, things went a little bit haywire today, so I'm at Woodford station on the Central Line. I just saw a refurbished Central Line train going eastbound, so I might have missed that train, but oh well. At least I'm going to be waiting here for a few minutes, and then the Central Line, then we will go through the details of the refurbished Central Line train instead. So, 50% chance it will be coming. So, here's my plan. The next train on the other side is coming in 12 minutes. So, I'm going to go to Roding Valley, wait there for a few minutes for that refurbished Central Line train. It may not work, but high risk, high reward.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Between the train and the platform.
Like what happened at Woodford, the refurbished train was not there. I'm just hoping that I'll be able to find it. I am not giving up. So I guess I'll wait for a few minutes here at Roding Valley, since I've got 20 minutes to wait here, and then I'll be ready to head off. Damn it! It's not this one. Oh well. We're not giving up though. We're not giving up. Hang on a sec, I see a train over there in the distance. This has to be the refurbished one. I hope. It has to be. Nope. Damn it! Oh my days.
Roding Valley. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is ridiculous.
This is a Central Line train to Woodford. The next station is Woodford, where this train terminates.
Fortunately, I was not able to find the refurbished Central Line train, so I have no other option but to cancel this journey and just head home. Oh well, it was fun while it lasted. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, press subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.